whenever somebody sees me in the kitchen and say, Vicky, इतना बड़ा pot है, क्या बना रहा है बिरयानी? So it's become like either two things, either it's Sindhi curry or it's biryani. But आज मैं बना रहा हूँ मेरी one of my favorite dishes which I love eating. I mean, I don't follow a particular recipe, but this is just an experience of all my different kinds of Raan ki biryani which I've eaten. One thing about biryani is that, you know, it's a whole production, as we say. पहले चावल, remember, Basmati rice, wash, rinse a couple of times, soak about 45 minutes to 1 hour tops. Uske baad drain, and this is what we have, okay? So normally chawal and meat ka ratio is almost the same. I've got about 450 grams of raw rice here, and I've got about 1.5 kilos of Raan. So if you cook, after cooking, this will be almost the same. So in this, I've got some ilaichi, some long, chakraphool, dalchini, badi ilaichi. I think we've got plenty of things here, alright? So this is going to go, थोड़े से प्याज भी डालते हैं some people, okay? I also have this, इसको कहते हैं Loomi, okay? They're called Omani lemons, used a lot in Saudi cooking, Middle Eastern cooking. So whenever ये लोग, when they are cooking any kind of meat, especially chawal, pulao, yakhni वगैरह बनाते हैं, so they use this. So yeah, if you see this, it's like, have a look inside. Yeah, have a look. So this is almost a dehydrated lemon. It's got amazing flavor. So I'm going to be adding just one here, okay? Some salt in my chawal ke, perfect. Some people also like to put a little ghee. तो घी डाल देते हैं पानी में. So now we all set. Let this come to a simmer. Okay. What is there in biryani की क्या है? चावल है और मीट और मसाला है. So you have to get both right. Otherwise, दो हाथ से ताली बजती है. In short. Next is हमारी marination. Okay. So I've got it nicely trimmed. अभी मैं इसमें थोड़े से poke some holes in it. Okay. अभी हम इसको marination करेंगे. तो पहले हम इसमें डालेंगे दही, फिर अदरक और लहसुन की पेस्ट. So I'm really nicely, literally massaging my Raan. धनिया, हल्का सा गरम मसाला, थोड़ी सी हल्दी, रेड चिली पाउडर, वाह मजा आ गया. थोड़ा और धनिया पाउडर, थोड़ी सी नमक. मैरिनेशन हो गई है अभी. ब्यूटीफुल. देखो अभी हम इसमें चावल डाल देते हैं पानी में. ब्यूटीफुल. अब I'm just going to give this one stir. Don't play around too much, okay? अभी एक ही बार हमने इसे हिला दिया and that's it. हम ये बिरयानी के लिए चावल बना रहे हैं, which means that they have to be about max 80% cooked. So इसको हम cover कर देते हैं. I can move my pot at the back. Yes. What I'm going to do first I'm just going to sear it, seal the meat so that all the sides are well covered and the juices are intact inside, so it stays really moist while it's cooking. A little bit of ghee. So एक साइड पे चावल पक रहे हैं, एक साइड पे हमारी रान हो रही है. इसे हम कहते हैं टाइम मैनेजमेंट एंड प्लानिंग. Yes. अब इसको हम इसमें डाल देते हैं and then our onions inside here. My rice is also 75% done. I'm going to straight away now drain this out, okay? थोड़ा सा और घी डालेंगे इसमें अभी. अभी हम इसे we have to give it a nice color, okay? So I've got a beautiful over there, and then next I'm going to actually open the tap a little bit so it actually stops the overcooking. Nice, beautiful. So चावल ready. तो अभी हम ये अनियन को धीमी आंच पे ब्राउन होने देंगे. I'm going to close this for a while. Perfect. And let me show you the rice first. If you see the rice here, it's perfectly cooked. Okay? I mean, it's perfectly undercooked. It's perfectly cooked for the biryani. You can see each and every grain of rice. तो अभी हम इसको अच्छी तरह भून रहे हैं. मिर्ची तो हो जाए यार. Why not? Let's add a little bit of chillies in this. Okay? We're gonna add a little bit of हमारा ginger garlic का paste. Beautiful. Meat masala. Okay? Some healthy and tasty meat masala. Lovely. And I'm adding a little bit of garam masala as well. Okay? So meat masala, garam masala is equal to almost like a biryani masala. Nice, beautiful. अभी हम इसे अच्छी तरह भून रहे हैं. Okay? Nice, lovely. Look at that. इसके बाद हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा टमाटर का प्यूरे. Nice. उसके बाद क्या डालेंगे हम डालेंगे हमारी रान. ब्यूटीफुल. इसको थोड़ा मिक्स कर देते हैं. थोड़ा सा पानी डाल के धीमी आंच पे I would say about close to about 50 minutes to 1 hour and our raan will be ready. Yes. Fantastic. Reduced all the way down. So I have some really nice Kashmiri saffron which I love to use. So I'm adding a few strands here. And then to this we're going to be adding थोड़ा सा दूध. So अब हम डालेंगे So first layer of rice चली गई है अभी इसमें. अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें फ्राइड अनियंस. थोड़ा सा धनिया अंदर और थोड़ा सा पुदीना. So some leaves of mint, coriander. The mint बहुत freshness देती है. So we're going to be adding a little bit of this saffron का दूध here. I'm just going to be topping this up and then इसको about 10 मिनट पे दम करेंगे. अब some rose petals, fried onions जिसे हम ब्रिस्ता कहते हैं. Perfect. Some fresh coriander, पुदीने के पत्ते. And it's a day of complete satisfaction, happiness, because this is the best meal that you can ever have with your family, especially today. Eid Mubarak to you and all your families, and may you have a fantastic and a blessed year. अभी हम इसे 10 मिनट दम के लिए. Now the pot in which I'm cooking is a heavy duty cast iron pot. I don't need to put atta or any dough around it. I can just leave it just like that. 10 minutes done. Dum bum sab ho gaya. Are you ready? Oh yes. This is exactly what I always wait for. This is really true nostalgia. Oh yeah. और हमारी रान की बिरयानी ready. Wishing you all a very, very happy Eid from my family to yours. May you have an amazing year and eat well and stay safe.